Now next, addition. Find the sum of each of the following. Here before we did sum only, here also we are going to do sum, but there fractions, here mixed fractions are given, their proper and improper fractions were given. So before we did addition, proper and improper fractions, unlike proper improper fractions, but here mixed fractions. So then mixed fraction, when mixed fraction is there, then how to find sum. First we have to make a rough column. So before finding the sum, we have to convert the given fractions into improper fraction. Then how to convert this mixed fraction into improper? Multiply 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 5, 5 by 3. This is improper fraction, plus 3 tens are 30, 30 plus 7 37, 37 by 10. Now these two fractions we have to add by taking LCM. 3 and 10 LCM. So 3 is a prime number, 3 ones are, and this 10 as it is. After that we have to take 10, 10 ones are, 3 tens are 30, 30 is the LCM. In 3 table when you will get 30, 3 tens are, multiply with 10. In 10 table when you will get 30, 3s are, now 5 tens are 50, 3 tens are 30, plus 37 3s are, 3 is 21, 2, 3 is 9, 10, 11, 111 by 10 3s are 30. Now these are like fractions, then sum of the numerators, 50 plus 111 by 30, that is 161 by 30, 161. Then how to convert this in mixed? To 511 by 30. If you want to do 30 divided by 161, 35s are 150, 1 is left, 511 by 30, 5 quotient, remainder by divisor, 11 by 30 we have to do. Okay. Now, so here also the same thing. First we have to convert the fractions into improper. 9 2s are 18, 22 by 9, plus 3 to the 9, 11, 11 by 3. Now LCM, 9 and 3 LCM, 3 3s are and 3 1s are, again with 3, 3 3s are 9 is the LCM. In 9 table when you will get 9, 1s are, multiply with 1. In 3 table when you will get this 9, 3s are, now 22 ones are 22, 9 ones are 9, plus 11 3s are 33, 9 ones are 9. Then these are like fractions, sum of numerators by common denominator, that is 55 by 9. Then improper into mixed we have to change. 9 6 are 54, 6 1 by 9, 6 1 by 9. This is our solution. Okay. Now here these fractions also we have to find sum. First we make a rough column like this, and after that, so we have to convert the given fractions into improper first. 3 4s are 12, improper 14 by 3, 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11, 11 by 6, 3 and 6 LCM, 3 is a factor of 6, 3 to the 6, so LCM is 6. In 3 table when you will get 6, 2s are, multiply with 2, and in 6 table when you will get 6, 1s are, multiply with 1. 14 2s are 28 by 6, 11 ones are 11 by 6 ones are 6, that is 28 plus 11 by 6, 28 plus 11, 39 by 6, 39 by 6. Then this 39, so then 3 13s are 39, 3 2s are 6, 3 3 get cancelled, 13 by 2, 13 by 2 in improper, 6 1 by 2 in mixed fraction, 6 1 by 2, this is our mixed fraction, this is our mixed fraction. Now this 5 1 by 4, so this we have to convert into improper first. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. 8 3s are 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. 8 and 4 LCM we have to take. 4 is the factor of this 8, so 8 is the LCM. In 4 table when you will get 8, 4 2s are, multiply with 2. In 8 table when you will get 8, 1s are, 21 2s are, 42 by 4 2s are 8. 29 1s are, 29 by 8 1s are 8. Then like fractions. These like fraction numerators we have to find the sum of numerators. 42 plus 29 by 8, that is 1. 71 by 9. Then 7 8 by 9. This is our mixed fraction. 9 8s are 9 7s are 63 plus 8, 63 plus 8, 71 by 9. 7 8 by 9. 7 8 by 9, this is the mixed fraction. Improper into mixed. Now this, there is no by, means by 1 is there. Then after that this other mixed fractions we have to convert into, so improper first. 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9, 9 by 5, 10 1s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 10 plus 2 by 1. LCM 5 10 1, 5 10 1. 5 is a factor of this 10, so 10 is the LCM. In 5 table when you will get this 10, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 10 table when you will get this 10, 1s are. In 1 table when you will get this 10, 1 10s are, multiply with 10. Then after that 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, 13 1s are 13, 10 1s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 10 1s are 10. Then sum of numerators, 18 plus 13 plus 20 by 10. Then 18 plus 13, 18 plus 13, 31, 31 plus 20, 51, 51 by 10, 51 by 10, 5 1 by 10. This is the sum. Okay, okay students. So if mixed fractions are given, then this is the method to do. Okay, one more question is there, that one more question your home assignment. Okay, now students see here, say in the first question 1 2 by 3 plus 3 7 by 10. So this we took, so but in the textbook 1 2 by 5 is there. According to that you have to do. So when, so if you take 1 2 by 5, then what is the answer? If you take 1 2 by 3 plus 3 7 by 10, this is the method and this is the LCM, and we have to do like this. If 5 is there, if 1 2 by 3 plus 3 7 by 10 is there, then how to do? So we have to take 5. If you take instead of this 3, 5 is there in the textbook, 1 2 by 5, 3 7 by 10. Then what we have to do? We have to convert this 1 2 by 3 into mixed fraction to improper. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 7 by 5. Here we have to take 7. So 7 by 5, 7 by 5. Okay. Now this mixed fraction into improper. Then 7 by 5, the LCM 5 and 10 we have to take. 5 and 10 LCM we have to take. First, so 5 is a factor of this 10, then LCM is 10. What is the LCM? 10 is the LCM. In that situation, what is the LCM? 10 is the LCM. When if you take 5 and 10, 5 is a factor of this 10. If one of a number is factor of the other, then the bigger number is the LCM. 10 is the LCM. Then in 5 table, when you will get this 10, 5 2s are, multiply with 2. Then in 10 table, when you will get this 10, 10 1s are, 10 1s are. Now after that, then how this will change? See here, how it will change. 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10, plus 37 ones are 37, 10 ones are 10. Then 14 plus 37 is how much? 51 by 10. This 51 by 10 is a improper fraction. Then whenever improper fraction is there, we have to convert into mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 10. So this is the answer when, if here 5 is there. If 3 is there, then the previous one is the answer. If 3, but in the textbook here it is 3, here it is 5. 1 2 by 5 is given, plus 3 7 by 10. So according to that, so we have to take 5 and 10 LCM. 5 is a factor of this 10, so this 10 is a LCM. Then after that, so we have to check in first fraction denominator when you will get LCM, the method is same, 2's are multiply with 2, numerator and denominator. So for the second fraction you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 1. Then after that simplify and convert into like fractions. Then add numerators 14 plus 37 by common denominator. Then it is an improper fraction, you have to convert this improper into mixed fraction. Okay. Now, so these questions all are similar questions. Here also we did one here. So here denominator is 8. What is the denominator here? 8. So like fractions 42 by 8 plus 29 by 8. 8 is our denominator. So according to LCM, 8 is our denominator. So what is the denominator? 8. Here we took 9. 8 is our denominator. Then 7 by 8 is an improper fraction. Then how to convert 71, not 7, 71 by 8 is an improper fraction. Then we have to convert this into mixed, 71 by 8. 8 8s are 64. Then how much left? Borrow 1. 11. So means 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. So that means, so what is the quotient here? 8 is the quotient, and what is the remainder? 7, and what is the divisor? 8. 8 7 by 8. 8 7 by 8. This is our mixed fraction. Improper into mixed fraction. Okay. Now the next concept, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, how to find the difference of unlike fractions. The same, so we have to find the difference of unlike fractions by converting like fraction. So from means from fraction we have to take first. From fraction is 13 by 27 minus 2 by 9. From fraction this is from. From this we have to subtract 2 by 9. It means first we have to write 13 by 27 minus 2 by 9. After that we have to find the LCM of the denominators 27 and 9. 9 is a factor of 27. 9 3s are 27. So the LCM is 27. Then in 27 table, when you will get 27? 1s are. In 9 table, when you will get 27? 3s are into 3. Now 13 ones are 13 by 27 ones are 27 minus 2 3s are 6, 9 3s are 27. Then now these are in like fractions. Then difference of the numerators, 13 minus 6 by common denominator 27. 13 minus 6 is how much? Is 7 by 27. This is the difference. Here from means from number we have to take first. From number 3 minus 7 by 12. 3 by 1. 1 and 12 LCM is 1 and 12. When 1 is there, then another number is there, then another number is the LCM. Whenever 1 will come, including with one more number, so then whatever the second number is there, that is the LCM. Then in one table, when you will get 12, 1 12s are, multiply with 12. In 12 table, when you will get 12, 1s are. Then after that 3 12s are 36 by 1 12s are 12, 7 1s are 7, 12 1s are 12. Then these two are like fractions. Then find the difference of numerators. 36 minus 12, 36 minus 7. 36 minus 7 by 12. 36 minus 7 is 29. 29 by 12. Then this is improper fraction, then how to convert? Say into mixed. 12 2s are 24, 5. 2 5 by 12. 2 5 by 12. This is a mixed fraction. Improper into mixed fraction. Okay, improper into mixed fraction. Now 5 by 12 from 8. From 8 means from number, first we have to take rough column, then after that from number we have to take from 8 minus 5 by 12, 8 by 1. Then 1 and 12 LCM. 1 and 12 LCM is 12 the same. In one table when you will get 12, 1 12s are 12s are. In 12 table when you will get 12, 1s are 1s are. 12 8s are 96 by 12, 5 1s are 5 by 12 1s are 12. Then like fractions, difference of like fractions, numerators difference by common denominator, that is 91 by 12. 12 7s are 84, 7 by 12. This is in mixed fraction. This is in mixed fraction. 7 1 by 12. Then after that 7 1 by 7 7 by 12. Here say not 7 1 by 12, 7 7 by 12. Okay. Then after that, so we have to find the difference of the number 8 by 15 minus 3 by 10. Then LCM 15 and 10 LCM we have to find. In 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are again with 3, 3 1s are 2 as it is 2. 5 into 3 into 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. LCM is 30. In 15 table when you will get 30, 15 2s are. In 10 table when you will get 30, 10 3s are. 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 15 2s are 30. Minus 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30. Then like fractions, difference of numerators by common denominator, that is 7 by 30. 7 by 30. Okay. So this is the answer, 7 by 30. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 30. So 8 minus 15 minus 3 by 10, so which is 7 by, so 1 is 8, 8 by 15, 3 by 8 to the 16, 3 3 is the 9. Okay. 7 by 30. Now subtraction of unlike mixed fractions, mixed fraction as well as unlike fractions. Unlike mixed fraction subtractions we are going to do. See here, before going to start, so we have to make a rough column. So this is a rough column. In this rough column, so what we have to do, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. First we have to take the from number 6 2 by 3 from the first fraction, what, 1 by 9. So these are mixed fractions converted into, we have to convert improper. So 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20, 20 by 3 minus 9 4s are 36 plus 1 37, 37 by 9. Now we have to find the LCM, 3 and 9 LCM. 3 is a factor of this 9, 3 3 is a 9, so that is why 9 is the LCM. In 3 table when you will get this 9, 3 3s are multiply with 3, and in 9 table when you will get this 9, 1s are multiply with 1. 23s are 60 by 3 3s are 9 minus 37 1s are 37, 9 1s are 9. Then 60 minus 37 by 9. 60 minus 37 is 23. 23 by 9. 23 by 9 in mixed fraction. 2 5 by 9. This is the answer. Now here from number we have to take 4 minus 2 1 by 8. Then that means 4 by 1 minus 2 8 to the 16 plus 1 17 by 8. 1 and 8, 1 and any other number is given, then LCM is other number, 8 is the LCM. In 1 table when you will get this 8, 1 8 za, 4 8 za. In 8 table when you will get 8, 1 za, 1 za. 4 8 za 32, 1 8 za 8, 17 1 za 17, 8 1 za 8. Then like fractions, 32 minus 17 by 8, that is 15, 15 by 8. In mixed fraction, 1 7 by 8, 1 7 by 8. Then here also we have to take LCM, first rough column. Then mixed fractions into like fractions first, unlike mixed fractions into improper first. Okay, 15 to the 30, 30 plus 7, 37 by 15 from the second. 10 5 the 50, 50 plus 3, 53. From number we have to write first minus the first fraction, 37 by 15. Now the LCM of this denominators, 10 and 15 LCM, 5 table, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are again with 2, 2 1s are 3 as it is, 5 into 2 into 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, LCM 30. In 10 table when you will get 30, 3s are. In 15 table 15 2s are, then 53 3s are 159 by 30, then 37 2s are, then 14 174 by 30, 53 3s are 159, 37 2s are 74 by 30. Then numerators, 159 minus 74 by 30, 159 minus 74, 9 minus 4 is 5, 15 minus 7 is 8 by 30, 8 by 30. Then 8 divided by 30, then 8 17s are 35, 6 5s are 30, 5 5 cancel, 17 by 6, that is 2 5 by 6. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Now simplification of fractions. Here the combination of addition and subtraction is given. So before we did simplification, addition and subtraction of like fractions, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions, addition and subtraction of mixed fractions, addition and subtraction of improper fractions. Now in this concept what we are going to do, so the combination of addition and subtraction is given in one sum only, so we have to solve. So together he has given together addition as well as subtraction. Then how to find? See here, first we have to convert the given mixed fractions into like so improper fractions first, mixed fractions into improper first. This 7 as it is plus this mixed fraction we have to convert into improper. 12 3 36 plus 1 37, 37 by 3 minus 8 7 are 56 plus 3 59, 9 by 7. Here there is no denominator in whole number, means by 1 is there. Now after that we have to make a rough column. In this rough column, so we have to find the LCM of these denominators, 1 3 and 7. See here, 1 is 1 only, 1 is neither be a prime nor be a composite, and remaining two numbers 3 and 7 are prime numbers. When prime numbers are there, then their product only the LCM. No need to take LCM, means indirect you can say that what is the LCM when prime numbers are given. 7 3s are 21, 21 is only the LCM, 21 is only the LCM when prime numbers are there. Okay. Now in one table when you will get 21, 121s are. In 3 table when you will get 21, 7s are. In 7 table when you will get 27, 3s are. Okay. Now 7 21s are 147 by 121s are 21 plus 37 7s are 7 is 49, 4, 7 is 21, 25, 259 by 3 7s are 21 minus 59 3s are 3 9s are 27, 2 3 are 15, 177 by 7 3s are 21. Okay. Then after that what we have to do? So add numerators according to the signs. 147 plus 259 minus 177 by 21. Then 147 plus 259, 147, 259, 6, 1, 10, 1, 4, 406, 406 minus 177, here minus 9, 2, 2, 229, 229 by 21. Now this is improper fraction. Then how to convert this improper into mixed? 21 divided by 229, 21 ones are 21, 1 left and 9, zeros are 0, 19, 10, 19 by 21, that is, what is the answer? 10, 19 by 21, this is the answer. Okay. In this way we have to convert, we have to add. The combination of addition and subtraction is given. According to that we have to add the first two fractions, from that sum we have to subtract the third fraction. Okay. Then here, so these mixed fractions we have to convert into improper. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3 plus 6 was 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6 minus 12 ones are 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. Now here 3, 6, 12 LCM, 3, 6 and 12. 3 is a factor of 12, 6 is a factor of 12. Both these are the factors of 12. If both factors of the second, then the bigger one is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. In 3 table, when you will get 12, 4s are, multiply with 4. In 6, when you will get this 12, 2s are, 6 2s are. In 12 table, 12 1s are. Okay, once again, see here, if two numbers are the factors of the third bigger, then the bigger number only the LCM. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 3 4s are 12, plus 17 2s are 34 by 6 2s are 12, 19 1s are 19 by 12 1s are 12. Then 16 plus 34 minus 19 by 12. Now we add these two, 16 plus 34 is 50, 50 minus 19 by 50 minus 19 by 12, 50 minus 19 is 31 by 12, 12 2s are 24 means 7, 2 7 by 12, 2 7 by 12, this is the answer. Okay. Now after that this one, so first we have to convert this in proper, 3 4s are improper, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 5, 17 by 4, 12 and 12 plus 11, 12 plus 11 is 23 by 12, the 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. Now we have to take LCM, 4 12 3 denominators, 4 12 3 LCM. 4 is a factor of 12, 3 is a factor of 12, both are the factors of 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are, so 12 is the LCM in the direct, 12 is the LCM. So in 4 table when you will get 12, 4 3s are, in multiply with 3, in 12 table 1s are, in 3 table when you will get 4s are. Now 17 3s are 51 by 4 3s are 12, 21 3s are 21 by 12, 7 4s are 28 by 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28 by 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now after this, see here, so first 51 minus 23 minus 28 by 12 we have to write. 51 minus 23, first we have to minus these two, that is 28 minus 28 by 12. 28 minus 28 is 0 by 12. 0 by anything is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. In this one more question is there, that similar question. That similar question you do as your home assignment. Before question also one more question was there, that also similar question that you have to do as your home assignment. Okay.